Severe thunderstorm watch issued for my county. And whenever it decides to. Whenever KXI2 Winnie 2 decides to freaking relay. Holy town of Bethlehem. I want you to go off. Okay. Lots of antennas. Sometime today, KXI. There we go. You can go off. I'll take that as a no.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 574, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Fannin, Gilmer, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
All right.
They got issued.